What is it that causes some developers to say, I want to write code, but I don't want to mess with the database?
Mhm.
How would you describe the essence or the forces that kind of make divide people?
I think that, especially back then, making a mistake in the early phases of a database design could really hinder things, And
Hmm.
so I think there's even back then there was a lot of fluidity and agility in programming that wasn't necessarily there in the data world. Once you had your schema down and once you had data loaded in there, it's very difficult to update that. So I think that that's one of the reasons why people kind of backed off. I think the other is, this was, back when, object-oriented programming was really coming to fruition. And so there was always this, with the impedance between a relational world and an object-oriented world, and that was always tough for people to navigate. And so I found that an interesting problem. So that's why I would jumped in there.